You're watching Event Pong presents beer road trip. Enough here with Der Wolfie and TJ Laser in the back, Mac Shine up front, and we're heading over to the Sons of Liberty Brewery in Norco, California. I don't know what they do, what they have, so we're gonna find that out when we get there. But we'll try something, see if we like it.
That's a good face. It's good.
That's good. For something being common, that's tasty.
Oh, that's a good IPA.
It doesn't have the punch, but it has all the other notes to it. Like it has that the force, but it's not like a bam force. It's like I'm gonna push my way through.
Yeah. All right, so we've got the Vanilla Oatmeal Stout.
Ching, ching, cheers. Obviously, I have high expectations of this one.
Ooh,
That's good.
That was fun.
I don't know about the aftertaste.
It's got like the aroma kind of has like a dark espresso scent. Like you definitely get the coffee scent off the first thing, but once you taste it, it's definitely vanilla.
It's like coffee.
It probably brings
It tastes like chocolate coffee. It's good. I like it.
Yeah,
Chocolatey.
chocolatey.
It's a little.
It's like a watery. Yeah, it's kind of watery.
That's the only complaint. Taste and smell.
Yeah, it tastes great, but it's just
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah. Grade
8.
8.
Yeah, I liked it a lot. It does kind of thin out somewhat, but it's not bad. The initial taste is great. Give it an 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going 7.5 just based on the texture because it is thin. It's real watery compared to we like heavy stouts. Usually that's where we like the scent, the bouquet, the taste, the aftertaste is all splendid. But it's just you wish it was like hanging out on your tongue this thick, and it's not.
So I'm crossed up between the 7.5 and the 8 because usually if I feel it's watery, I'll take off the 2 points, but I don't like the wateriness being in the stout.
7.5.
It almost feels like a porter.
Yeah, I think 7.5 is good. So it tastes good, but the taste doesn't stay the way I want it to stay. It just kind of drips away.
I'm probably gonna go 7 because I agree with like the wateriness of it. And the very first sip I had, I mean, it was a nice blast, a good flavor blast. But then I didn't like how the aftertaste afterwards is kind of like almost tastes chlorinated in some ways, honestly. But and with the more sips that I take, I'm actually finding myself liking it less and less. It's not really a good thing.
So everybody's really liking the Lexington IPA. It's delicious. I'm kind of in love with this New England Common. That one's good.
It certainly feels like an IPA. It's got the tang, the texture, and everything.
Give it a swig.
It's got the strength too.
The IPA is the best one that I've had in the flight so far. So.
You really like the strawberry Hefeweizen?
Strawberry Hefeweizen is good. They didn't like it. I liked it.